In this Decicity seller tutorial, we will show you how to add product videos. You can now add videos of your products to your shop. These can be YouTube or MP4 clips. To add them, go to your shop dashboard. Go to Products, select the product you have a video for, and click the blue Edit button. Scroll to Additional Images, and click the blue plus button. A default thumbnail will appear. Click the blue Edit button. From Image Manager, click the blue Upload button, locate your file, and double-click, or click on, Select or Open to upload the file. Once your file has uploaded, it will appear in your media library. To select the video, simply click on the thumbnail. You will see it appear in your product Additional Images. To upload YouTube videos, simply go to the YouTube video, click Share, click Embed, copy the code, and then paste it into the product video text box. Once you are finished, click the blue Save and Close button. Your videos will now appear as additional thumbnails. Thank you for watching this tutorial video and for being part of the Decicity community.